time to give some love to your shoe rack. Let's turn your entry area into an organized, stylish space you'll be proud of. Ready to declutter and create order? Let's step into it. You see what I did there? In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. We're continuing our easy 28-day declutter challenge. Feel free to download the free printable checklist using the link below and join us on this decluttering journey. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. Today is all about shoes. Whether your shoe rack is overflowing or your favorite pairs are hiding under a pile, we're going to simplify, organize, and beautify. I am working on the shoes that are in my bedroom since I already worked on the shoes in the entryway in yesterday's video since I was doing the entry closet. Anyway, let's dive in. Shoe selection. Take out every pair of shoes. Yes, every single one. Line them up so you can see what you're working with. Ask yourself, does these still fit? Do I wear them regularly? Do I still love them? Are they comfortable? Keep the pairs that check all the boxes and let go of the ones you've outgrown, rarely wear, and no longer love. Organize, display. Now it's time to put everything back, but with a purpose. Arrange your shoes in a way that's visibly pleasing and functional. You can group them by style, such as boots, sneakers, flats, and heels. You can also sort by color to make your entryway look chic. Pro tip, use bins for baskets for smaller or less used items like flip-flops or shoe care supply. For the entryway, we use shoe cabinets we got from IKEA, and I got these stackable shoe boxes from Amazon for my bedroom. And just like that, your shoe section is complete. How many pairs did you part with today? Let me know in the comments below. If this challenge is making a small difference in your home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can keep following along. Tomorrow we're moving on and continuing on. See you tomorrow in the next video for day 18. Bye.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.